Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love read for you. So Aries, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. Let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aries, as always, let's take a Ganesha Oracle card and an Angel Blessing card to top this reading and see how these angels are going to bless your love life now. So Lord Ganesha, please bless my Aries with a beautiful blessing. And let's take one from the angels as well. Blessing or an advice, my angels. Ooh. Before I could spread the cards out, Aries, this card just sat on my deck, which says vision. So there is a promise of the future, it seems. So keep your eyes on the goal, Aries. Even if you feel there's some kind of a pause going on in your love life, don't worry. And here we have healing. So yes, I know a lot of my Aries are recovering from heartbreak. So I think this is a time for healing, Aries. Don't be in a rush. There is something positive coming in the future once you heal your broken heart. And yes, these are beautiful cards to get, healing and vision. That means keep your eyes on the prize. Things will happen. Don't worry. This is your time maybe to heal yourself, your mind, body, soul, and find love within yourself till the next chapter of your love life begins. Right? So let's see why these cards are here, Aries. Let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for all your love and affection and your comments, especially. Thank you so much for all your support to the channel. I am very thankful, very grateful. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel. We meet here monthly, weekly, weekends, all the time. Okay, let's take our mutual energies as well. So newbies, let me explain this. I am setting down two sets of cards. One is for you and one is for the person. Whoever you're concerned with or your love interest, someone you have an eye on, or somebody who could have an eye on you, right? So let's see. For the duration of this reading, I'll be calling them person A and person B. Aries, you decide which side you resonate best with, right? So we'll see why this healing is required in this relationship, Aries, and what can we expect for the future. Four of Pentacles, the Empress, the Magician, Seven of Cups, Temperance, and the Two of Cups. No wonder you need healing, Aries. Let's see. Knight of Pentacles, Four of Swords, King of Wands, Page of Wands, Three of Cups, and the Nine of Swords. So right now, from what I see, Aries, there is trouble in paradise here. Okay, right now in your mind there is no working together with this person, whoever is on your mind, I guess, whoever you have had problems with whom you need healing. I think Aries, I think you are on here or side A. I think you're kind of releasing this person. Whatever this person has done to you, I think they've been a trickster or done something really awful to you, and that's kind of made you very upset and angry, and you've realized there is no growth to be had here. Yeah, you're releasing this burden altogether. Look at this, Aries, dropping this burden. Four of Pentacles in reverse. You're on that stage of life where you're saying, I'm no longer going to be bothered by this person. They have hurt me, they have tricked me, and I'm not even looking forward to any apology or sorry because I've made up my mind. What's the point of getting a sorry now when, they've hurt me so bad, and what is a small sorry going to do to heal my broken heart anyway? So right now, I think, Aries, as the Empress in reverse, you have pulled back all your energy, all your love, and you may be thinking of starting something new here, right? So let's see. Why is the Empress in reverse, Spirit? releasing the devil. You've realized that this was probably a toxic energy or a karmic soulmate. They came into your life and gave you a lot of pain and heartbreak, it seems, Aries. And I have the magician in reverse as well. So yes, you have this person never gave you back, Aries. That was the problem. You, as the Empress, I think, Aries, you gave and you gave and you gave, and whatever this person gave. So look at the disparity. Here's an Empress to a Page of Pentacles. So you gave as the Empress and you got barely with the Page of Pentacles energy. So this was probably a very immature energy. If you gave 10, you probably got 1 back, and that really didn't work for you. And you've made up your mind now to release this toxicity from your life. You consider this person a trickster who created illusions around you, promised you more than they gave, and you've realized now, after some time apart, that you've come to that conclusion that there was no equal give and take here, right? It was always one side giving more, which of course was you here, Aries, as the Empress or the Emperor. I think you're no longer confused about this person anymore. Maybe for a while you were stuck on this person maybe for a very long time. You kept your life on hold, waiting, maybe things will change. But I don't see you confused anymore, Aries. Maybe with the Seven of Cups energy you were fantasizing, wishing, hoping, but now you are quite clear about putting this to a halt now with the Knight of Pentacles energy. This is like a screeching halt, right? You've made up your mind. You've realized, Aries, that there was no partnership. There was, like with the Temperance in reverse, there was no partnership here. There was imbalance in this relationship, right? This was not a balanced relationship where two people meet, they fall in love, each one is as excited as the other, wanting to love the other. But here I think, Aries, you were the one who was always making the effort, and this person was giving back very, very little. And yes, now you've realized this was a Page of Wands. It was a page energy to your Empress, right? So I think here you are, Aries, no longer fighting for this connection anymore, right? I think you're getting disillusioned, and this Two of Cups is also in your mind now, upside down, where you feel, yes, there was no genuine love here. I really believed in this connection at one point, and I waited and waited. But yes, not feeling loved up at all, Aries, right now. No wonder Lord Ganesha has given you the card of healing. And yes, that's exactly what I see you doing, Aries. You're finally coming to that stage where you're healing yourself, you're healing your mind, body, soul. And if you've spent so much time waiting for them and not sleeping and just kind of wondering about this relationship, I think finally, Aries, you are surrendering and you are saying, hey, I'm not going to waste my time, right? Yes, you realize that this was a manipulative person, a King of Cups, who probably emotionally manipulated you. And Aries, being such a honest, innocent and faithful sign, you believed, right? You believed, and you gave 100% of your love, not realizing that the other person was probably emotionally manipulating you. And yes, now the first card and the last card are the same. You're releasing this connection, no longer waiting for no longer now in regret also of the past. I think you've kind of given up, right? You know that the tower has fallen or is falling, and you know why it's falling, and I don't think you really care at all. Let's see the other person, Aries. What's the other person going through? They also realize that this relationship has come to a halt, Aries, with the Knight of Pentacles energy. But this person hasn't really released you, it seems. They have been introspecting. They are in the Four of Swords energy. I think they are also quite shaken up, right? They have been thinking. They have been in contemplation. They have, I think, realized what they've done. And I don't think they've had the guts to come towards you till now, because they are watching you from afar, even now. Even though you may have given up, Aries, they are still in contemplation, thinking, going over and over everything that they did to you. They realize that they've really messed up this beautiful soulmate connection with you. right? Now they realize that yes, this was probably my soulmate, and this is the kind of behavior I went with. I took in conflict, I took in fights, I brought a lot of imbalance to this relationship. I was never truly there, and I have created so much ruckus in this relationship. Look at this person's lying here and thinking, what did I do? What did I do? I've kind of ruined this relationship altogether. And I think they're also realizing that they've been very, very selfish in the past. But right now, I think their fire has died down. I think they're so ashamed and sheepish of what their behavior, and they also know that my Aries is very upset and angry with them, right? Here we have the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands now in reverse. Equal pair, soulmates, right? But their fire has gone out because Aries is now angry and upset, and I don't think this person has the courage to even face you. Strength in reverse. So, I mean, they can wish and think all they like, but I think I don't think they have the face anymore. Yes, they are thinking now. Look at them thinking of all this nasty business that they brought to your life, Aries. The Five of Swords is somebody who's like a me person, a selfish person who just wants to win because they want to win. Very childish energy, I would say. Just trying to beat the other person down because they want to win. Not because it's required, just out of ego and pride. And now this person is in deep contemplation, taking stock of all their actions. They want to come towards you, Aries, but here they are with the Page of Wands in reverse energy, not really knowing how to and what to say, because they are very clear of what they've done to you now. Page of Wands, Spirit. What's this Page of Wands? Page of Wands. One more. This person is deeply unhappy right now, Aries. I don't know if that makes you feel any better. I think most of my Aries are going to put a comment to say, we don't care. I don't care. But yes, they're showing up, so I have to tell you, this person is no longer now juggling. If they were juggling you, or they were kind of going back and forth, I think they've lost their spirit now. Maybe this person was a player, earlier, and they had a lot of sexual energy. I think this person is just weak right now, and they're shocked at their own behavior. I think this person needs the healing more than you. They're deeply unhappy right now, very, very unhappy. The sun has kind of gone down in their life. Nothing is really working, unhappy, as I don't think they're even concentrating on their work right now, Aries, with the Three of Pentacles in reverse. But they are still holding on. They still have a fear of change. They just don't want to let it go. I think 24/7, all they do is lie there and think of their bad behavior, right? So death in reverse is they don't know how to how to turn this around. They can't end it, and nor can they transform it. They can't end it because they, I think, still love you very much, and they can't transform it because they're very afraid of, not just afraid, but embarrassed at their own behavior now. So they're just there in limbo, and when what happens when you stall death, it just becomes a very, it's like keeping a dead body at home for too long. It starts stinking after a while, it's unhealthy. So this person is in a very, very unhealthy mental, physical space at the moment. They've lost their will, right? I kind of am feeling sorry for them now. They really don't know now how to bring a reunion back with my Aries. They are unhappy. If they were earlier with third parties or whatever, I don't think they are anymore. Three of Cups, Spirit. Why is Three of Cups there? They miss their love so much. They miss this love, this affection, the care, the warmth, and deeply, deeply unhappy. I mean, you see me, Aries. I'm always laughing and joking with, especially in your readings. But this is a very heavy energy this person is coming with. They are dreaming of taking action with their counterpart, but they are unable to right now. They are scared. They don't know how to bring this reunion. Heart of Hearts, if they could, they would rush towards you, Aries. They want to return so desperately, but they realize that they took a wrong turn in their life. And this wrong turn has cost them big time, right? But they do want to return if they could. But right now, I think they're just healing and trying to get over their stress and tension. So, Nine of Swords, Spirit, for them. Nine of Swords. I'm kind of feeling sorry for this person now, Aries. They know justice has not been done, and this person is feeling very ungrounded at the moment. They are feeling ungrounded in every possible way, where their stability is, where their work is. Everything has just kind of, because they have no will. Without, I think, you in their life, I think you were probably their muse. And now there is, yeah, they're just healing now from their broken heart. I like that. Buddy, you're the one who hurt by Aries, okay? So, yes, but losing you has also been heartbreaking for them, Aries. They are still kind of reeling under the shock of this separation. One more. Deeply in their emotions, they are deeply in their emotions. They are clouded in their mind, and they don't know what to say. Howling at the moon almost. You know, can you visualize that? Somebody just looking up and crying and not knowing. I'm getting a little emotional right now with this energy. But yes, I think Aries, you are stronger. You have been through your pain and you are almost releasing it now. But I think it's this person right now who needs this healing, right? They don't have a vision for the future. They can't see beyond right now as to how to bring any kind of change in their life with you. So let's see, Aries, what's in your mutual energy now, if anything. Yes, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Two of Pentacles, and the Page of Cups. Right now, both of you don't see any way out to have a fresh new beginning, Aries. I think you've given up and this person is almost sick. The choice is being made. I think you both are still deeply attracted when you think of each other. There is a soulmate connection here, but because of this person's behavior, I think Aries, you've made this choice that I don't want to have a fresh new beginning. And what about them, Spirit? What about them? They are in a lot of depression, Aries. Four of Cups in reverse. They feel all is lost. All is lost with their, whatever they've done, their player energy or whatever they did to you. They feel that Aries, that it's very sad energy, I'm sorry to say, but they are very depressed. Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Two of Pentacles. Feeling left out in the cold. I think Aries, you are dropping this altogether. Even though this person wants to return back to you, they are feeling abandoned, lost, left out in the cold. It's like a very, very sad energy here, not seeing any kind of way to get a reunion with you. They feel that, Aries, you have dropped them like a hot cake now. And even though I think they still want to return to you. They still want to return, but they don't see a way out. Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups. Page of Cups. Aries, they want to come towards you, they want to return to you, but they want to have this fresh new beginning with you. They don't know what to say. They really don't know what to say, to be honest. I mean, I can feel, in my heart, I can feel the scare that they're going through. That if they come towards you, Aries, they know that you're probably still very, very upset and angry with them, right? Queen of Swords in reverse is like, it's like, that bad, angry person I'm not calling you bad, Aries, but this is how this person is feeling scared that you may still be very angry and upset with you, even though they are dreaming of some way. So all they can do right now, Aries, I think they're fantasizing about this new beginning with you, but they're confused as to how to bring it to you because they're still kind of feeling that you're upset and angry. So I think Aries, this person needs still a bit of healing. They need some kind of time out. So let's see, Aries, meanwhile, if there's any, because this person may or may never come back. I don't think they are brave enough to face you. So let's see if Spirit can help sending anything new to my Aries. So Aries, Spirit, anything new for Aries love life? Second half of October. Anything new for Aries? Since they seem to have kind of given up on this one, anything new for my Aries? Since they seem to have kind of given up on this one, anything new for my Aries? One of my subscribers, Aries subscribers, asked me this question last time. How come there is no King of Cups in this reading, right? Because the King of Cups always shows up. I have to say this now. Somebody's feeling very foolish, Aries, still. The King of Cups has appeared once again. They are still keeping a watch on you, okay? They are the same emotionally manipulative person. They are feeling very unloved at the moment. This person is not going to allow anybody else to come in as yet till they are still, I think they think of you 24/7. And this person's energy is so attached that I think they're trying to avoid this chapter from getting shut out completely, right? They don't know what to say. They don't know how to bring anything structured or anything committed to you right now. What should Aries do now, Spirit, to get over this person? What should Aries do now? I mean, Aries does need somebody, right? So what should Aries do? Aries, there's a bit of delay here in finding new love. Right now, there's a battle of wills going on. The Emperor in reverse and the Queen of Swords in reverse. So these are two energies which are still battling it out. Maybe in the spiritual world, who knows? This could be an old soulmate, right? So things are still a bit ungrounded here. The tower is still kind of falling and somebody is trying to avoid this change from happening, right? Sooner or later, this burden will drop. Don't worry about it. Either this conflict will end and you guys may get back together, or you'll be able to drop this person altogether. I think you're in between worlds right now, Aries, in your love life, and that is why Spirit has given this thing to you of vision. Things may have been halted or stalled right now, but please know that it's coming, right? So I think there is a bit of healing required. Keep your vision strong. Nothing is lost. Something new will come shortly once this person finally realizes that Aries may never come back if they never have the strength to come and face Aries. Right? I'm sorry this was a little heavy reading for you, Aries. It's the first time, I think. But I'll try and do another one for you as a bonus after finish the other ones and see where we go. And till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste to all of you.